Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that you help generate. It involves finding a product or service that you believe in and promoting it to your audience through your website, social media, or other marketing channels. By including your unique affiliate link in your promotions, you can track the sales that you generate and earn a commission on each successful sale. With the right strategy and tactics, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to generate passive income online. Today, we will discuss different ways to earn from affiliate marketing. So, let's begin. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to make money with affiliate marketing. You can start a blog in a niche that interests you, create content, and recommend relevant products or services through affiliate links. When creating content, you can include affiliate links to relevant products or services. For example, if you have a blog about cooking, you could recommend kitchen tools or recipe books through affiliate links. YouTube. YouTube is another platform where you can make money with affiliate marketing. You can create a YouTube channel and produce videos related to your niche. You can recommend affiliate products or services in the video description or within the content of the video itself. In your video description, you can include affiliate links to relevant products or services. You can also use affiliate links in annotations or within the content of the video itself. Again, make sure to disclose your affiliate partnerships to your audience. Social media. Social media is a powerful tool for affiliate marketing. You can use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter to promote affiliate products or services. To get started, you'll need to create a social media account and start building your audience. Once you have a following, you can start sharing content related to your niche and include affiliate links to relevant products or services. It's important to make sure that your content is not spammy and provides value to your audience. Email marketing. Email marketing is another way to make money with affiliate marketing. You can create an email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and promote affiliate products or services through your emails. Once you have a list of subscribers, you can start sending emails promoting relevant products or services. It's important to make sure that your emails are informative and provide value to your subscribers. Webinars. Hosting webinars is another way to make money with affiliate marketing. You can create a webinar related to your niche and promote relevant affiliate products or services during the webinar. To get started, you'll need to choose a topic for your webinar and create a presentation. You can use platforms like Zoom or GoToWebinar to host your webinar. During the webinar, you can promote relevant affiliate products or services and provide a special offer or discount to your audience. It's important to make sure that your webinar provides value to your audience and is not overly promotional. E-commerce stores. Creating an e-commerce store is another way to make money with affiliate marketing. You can create an online store that sells products related to your niche and include affiliate links to other relevant products or services. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche and create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. You can then add affiliate links to relevant products or services throughout your store. It's important to make sure that your e-commerce store provides value to your customers and is not overly promotional. You can also offer special deals or discounts to your customers through your affiliate partnerships. Podcasts. Creating a podcast is another way to make money with affiliate marketing. You can create a podcast related to your niche and promote relevant affiliate products or services through sponsored segments or sponsorships. To get started, you'll need to choose a topic for your podcast and create content. You can use platforms like Anchor or Buzzsprout to host your podcast and distribute it to different podcast directories. During your podcast, you can promote relevant affiliate products or services through sponsored segments or sponsorships. It's important to make sure that your podcast provides value to your audience and is not overly promotional. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Whether you choose to start a blog, create a YouTube channel, or host webinars, the key is to provide value to your audience and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. With some time and effort, affiliate marketing can be a profitable way to make money online. If you find this video informative, then please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time. Goodbye.